Welcome to AI ConvoCast, where we bring you the latest in AI and tech innovation. Quick housekeeping. Check out the affiliate links in our description. Using them supports the show, and please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Let's jump right in. Today, we will be covering OpenAI's first open-weight model release in years with their new GPT-OSS models that are now available on AWS, Google DeepMind's impressive new Genie 3 world simulation model that creates interactive 3D environments, and the official start of enforcement for the EU's Comprehensive AI Act despite industry pushback. OpenAI has made a significant move in the AI landscape by releasing two open-weight language models called GPT-OSS 120B and GPT-OSS 20B. This marks OpenAI's first open-weight release since GPT-2 back in 2019. The models are specifically optimized for advanced reasoning tasks while being efficient enough to run on consumer hardware. The larger model, GPT-OSS 120B, can operate on a single GPU, while the smaller GPT-OSS 20B is lightweight enough to run on personal computers. What's particularly impressive is that these models match the performance of OpenAI's proprietary O3 Mini and O4 Mini models, showing particular strength in coding, mathematical reasoning, and health-related tasks. The models are being released under the Apache 2.0 license, which gives developers the freedom to fine-tune them without needing the original training data. In a major distribution partnership, Amazon Web Services has announced that these OpenAI models will be included in its Bedrock Generative AI Marketplace and Amazon SageMaker Jumpstart. This is the first time OpenAI's models will be available on AWS platforms. Atul Deo, Bedrock's director of product, expressed enthusiasm about the collaboration, saying, "OpenAI has been developing great models, and we believe that these models are going to be great open-source options, or open-weight model options for customers." OpenAI CEO Sam Altman emphasized the strategic importance of this release, stating, "OpenAI's mission is to ensure artificial general intelligence that benefits all of humanity. To that end, we are excited for the world to be building on an OpenAI stack created in the United States, based on democratic values, available for free to all. For developers interested in accessing these models, they're available via Hugging Face, AWS Bedrock, and SageMaker Jumpstart starting immediately." Moving to our next story, Google DeepMind has unveiled Genie 3, their most advanced world simulation model to date. This new system represents a significant leap forward in generative AI capabilities, able to create dynamic, interactive 3D environments running at 720p resolution and 24 frames per second for several minutes at a time. This is a substantial improvement over Genie 2, which could only produce 10 to 20 seconds of simulated content. Shlomi Fruchter, a research director at DeepMind, highlighted what makes Genie 3 special. It's the first real-time interactive general-purpose world model. It goes beyond narrow world models that existed before. It's not specific to any particular environment. It can generate both photorealistic and imaginary worlds, and everything in between. One of the most impressive aspects of Genie 3 is its ability to maintain physical consistency over time without explicit programming for physics. This natural understanding of how objects interact in the real world is considered a crucial step toward artificial general intelligence. Jack Parker Holder, a research scientist at DeepMind, explained the significance. "We think world models are key on the path to AGI, specifically for embodied agents, where simulating real-world scenarios is particularly challenging." While Genie 3 shows tremendous potential for applications in education, gaming, and training general-purpose AI agents, it remains in research preview and isn't yet publicly available. DeepMind has acknowledged certain limitations, including the model's current inability to accurately simulate complex interactions between multiple independent agents and its support for only a few minutes of continuous interaction. In regulatory news, the European Commission has confirmed that implementation of the EU's new AI regulations will proceed according to schedule, despite significant pushback from major tech companies. On August 5, 2025, the Commission made it clear there would be no delays to the AI Act enforcement timeline, even after calls for postponement from companies including Alphabet, Meta, Mistral, and ASML. Commission spokesperson Thomas Renier was direct in addressing these requests, emphasizing that there will be no pause, grace period, or halt in the implementation process. The timeline remains firm, with general-purpose AI model obligations beginning this month, August 2025, and high-risk model regulations set to take effect in August 2026. The AI Act represents the EU's attempt to create a comprehensive legal framework governing AI development and deployment within the European Union. It places significant focus on ensuring safety, transparency, and accountability in AI systems. Under the new regulations, companies must conduct thorough risk assessments, implement robust data governance measures, and ensure compliance with all provisions of the Act or face substantial penalties. The industry response has been divided. While many companies have expressed concerns about potential impacts on innovation and international competitiveness, others recognize the importance of establishing clear regulatory guidelines to build trust and safety in AI technologies. As the enforcement date has now arrived, companies operating within the EU are scrambling to review their AI systems and practices to ensure alignment with these new regulations. These three developments, OpenAI's open weight models, DeepMind's Genie 3, and the EU AI Act enforcement, collectively highlight the rapid pace of innovation in AI alongside the evolving regulatory landscape that seeks to ensure these powerful technologies develop responsibly. Thank you for listening to AI Convo Cast. Please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Thanks and hope to see you again next time.